Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Krishnagiri. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, Vindhya A Infomedia Private Limited is looking for outbound sales calls support advisor, and it is a full-time employment, and salary will be 10,000 plus incentives, and qualifications will be higher secondary education, that is 12th pass preferred, and work experience will be 1 year preferred, and languages will be English preferred, and language support preference one or more than from below list is must. Those are Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Telugu. Coming to the job description, provide assistance to companies customer via calls. The ideal candidate will possess a good English reading, writing and comprehension skills in order to understand customers' needs. And coming to the responsibilities, an outbound sales representative has a simple goal: convert leads into sales. To accomplish this feat, an outbound sales representative performs the following tasks. Those are: educate customers, retrieve customers' information, respond to customer concerns and questions, meet productivity goals, provide inbound call assistance. These are the responsibilities. Coming to the benefits, flexible to work in shift timings. Those are fixed shift for ladies and rotational week off, no confirmed Sundays. Food and accommodation will be provided for free. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by sharing the resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for manager credit cards partner 2. Coming to the job purpose, this position is open with Bajaj Finance Limited to manage telesales team and drive lead generation numbers for the allocated city. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, achieve daily lead generation targets, telesales team management, partner team management, data and dialer management, hourly sales tracking and take action to improve productivity. Coming to the skills and knowledge, minimum acceptable proficiency for this job, which best indicates the education and or experience requirements of this job are not the incumbent. And coming to the educational qualifications, BCom or MBA is preferred, and work experience will be 3 to 4 years is required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, senior specialist vehicle assembly is required for Ola, and they are looking for the candidates from the background of assembly profile from the manufacturing industries for senior engineer position. And coming to the responsibilities, weekly daily production planning based on customer schedule, responsible for production plan adherence and quality of the products, working towards specific goals and targets, effective use of manpower, machine and materials, productivity improvement, rejection review and analysis with CFT members, responsible for 5S, coordinating with team leaders during customer audits or quality audits, implementation of suggestions and kaizens, and being a safety committee member responsible for safety in the shift. And these are the responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Kuviam Cinematic Studio. They are looking for video editor. Coming to the job description, manipulate and edit film pieces in a way that is invisible to the audience, creative designing of posters or banners and editing of entertainment and educational videos, trim footage segments and put together the sequence of the film, and input music, dialogues, graphics and effects, ensure logical sequencing and smooth running, continuously discover and implement new editing technologies and industry's best practices to maximize efficiency. And this is the job description. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening available in Primatic Software Solution Private Limited. They are looking for a web developer, and coming to the responsibilities, developing a new user-facing features using React, building reusable components and front-end libraries for future use, and translating designs and wireframes into high-quality code, optimizing components for maximum performance across a vast array of web-capable devices and browsers. These are the responsibilities, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.